Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of intellectual property. In today's episode, we'll be shedding light on a topic that every innovator and inventor in Pakistan should know about: the value of patent registration. Let's start. First of all, we will ask you, are you an innovator or an inventor with a groundbreaking idea? Do you want to protect your intellectual property and secure exclusive rights? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the process of patent registration in Pakistan, ensuring that your invention is recognized and safeguarded. Step 1. Preparing the application. First, determine the type of patent application: a utility patent or an industrial design patent. Then, prepare a comprehensive description of your invention, including any relevant drawings or diagrams. Don't forget to gather supporting documents, such as proof of right to file or priority documents if you're claiming priority from a foreign application. Step 2. Filing the application. Submit your application to the IPO Pakistan and pay the filing fees. These fees vary depending on the type of patent application and the number of claims you have. Step 3. Formality examination. The IPO Pakistan will conduct a formality examination to ensure that your application meets the required formalities and documentation. If any deficiencies are identified, you'll be notified and given a specific time frame to rectify the issues. Step 4. Publication. Once your application meets the formality requirements, it will be published in the Official Gazette of Pakistan. This publication includes the title of your invention and your details as the applicant. Step 5. Substantive examination. To determine the novelty, inventive step, and industrial applicability of your invention, the IPO Pakistan will conduct a substantive examination. An examination report will be issued, highlighting any objections or deficiencies found in your application. Step 6. Response and amendments. In this stage, you must respond to the examination report within the specified time frame, addressing any objections raised. You can also make amendments to your application to overcome objections or improve the clarity of your claims. Step 7. Grant and registration. If your application meets all the requirements and objections are overcome, congratulations! The IPO Pakistan will issue a patent grant certificate, officially recognizing your invention. Your patent will then be registered in the Patent Register and published in the Official Gazette. We hope this comprehensive overview has provided you with a clear understanding of the patent registration process in Pakistan. Remember, protecting your intellectual property through patent registration is a crucial step in ensuring the exclusivity of your invention. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and expert advice on our channel. Thank you for joining us, and best of luck on your patent registration journey.